Tower, Pacific 5342 on Mount Vernon visual, runway 1.
Blue Chief 5342, Washington Tower, 1 star, 32017, gust 25, you take runway 33. Blue Chief 5178, let's turn this Sierra ground 17.
Let's Sierra ground 517. Yeah, we can do 33 for Blue Chief 5342.
Blue Chief 5342, that's Wilson Bridge, change to turn for runway 33, runway 33, clear to land.
Change to runway 33, clear land, Blue Chief 5342.
Subject 1, landing fault at the boardwalk, please on risk when they will report landing shift. Winds are currently 330 to 15, gust 25.
Blackjack 1, copy the wind, thanks.
Yeah, 79, traffic on 24 mile funnel, runway 1 mile 43 ready to go.
Line up for weight, we'll be ready, Jeff, 79.
Blue Chief 5305, try to be number 2 for departure, followed at American 73 up below.
Blue Chief 5305.
Delta 832, try to be number 3, followed at American CRJ.
Number 3 after CRJ, Delta 832.
That was 2355, let's turn to February ground 47, good day.
I think we're going to miss November. Can we take the runway?
Looks like you have November. Let me know if you have it.
Yeah, we got November for JetBlue 2655.
Alright, ground 47 today.
Ground 47, we'll see ya.
Jet 789, 1 star, 320 to 15, gust 25, traffic 2 out, no delay, runway 1 for takeoff.
Takeoff, runway 1, no delay,
Contact 1, landing assured, boardwalk, good night.
Flight Jet 1, Roger, first change for good night.
25 Memorial.
Pass 35, Roger.
Washington Tower, American 3130 with you, runway 1.
American 3130, Washington Tower, 1 star, 310 to 14, gust 25, runway 1 clear to land. Check for depart, may depart prior to arrival.
Okay, clear to land, runway 1, American 3130.
Jet 789, contact Stone Park today.
Have a good day.
American 3130, slow the funnel.
Slow on American 3130.
Pass 25, traffic just south of Wilson Bridge to CRJ at 1,200 feet, start from runway 33.
25 has a traffic inside residential separation.
This separation group. American 1630 Tower, runway 1 mile forward, traffic throughout, start from runway 33, dispatch 16 mile funnel.
Line up for weight, runway 1.
Tower Muscle 7, approaching Springfield, request route 3.
By Captain, runway 1.
Most 7 stand by. Blue Chief 5307, keep rolling out to November, ground 47 today. American 1630 1 star, 320 to 14, gust 25, traffic 2 mile up base, runway 33, no delay, runway 1 clear for immediate takeoff.
Number 1, clear for takeoff, American 1630.
Most 7 request.
Route 3 to zone 6.
Most you say route 3 to zone 6. Most 7 first.
American 4782,
Medevac X-Ray 1, Washington Tower, no call Commodore 2990. Cruise to Washington 5, 12, West Coast, Portland, Interior, Fairfax. Pass 25, get the CRJ in sight. Pass 25, pass behind the CRJ.
Aircraft inside pursuing separation.
Good separate.
American 4782 by Baton, Mount Vernon visual.
American 472, Washington Tower, 1 star, 320 to 17.
This is wind. Tower, did you see that?
472. American 3130, go around, turn left in 250, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, left heading 350, 3000, American 3130.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request runway 33, circle to 33.
Second heading for American 3130.
American 3130, go around, turn left in 270, climb maintain 3000.
270 on the heading, 3000, American 3130.
American 472, cancel landing clearance runway 116 use. Black Jet 3, zone 6 approved.
American 1380, go to departure.
Yeah, Potomac on 118.95.
1895 full.
American 472, cancel approach clearance runway 116 use.
Approach clearance canceled, we're continuing. Blue Streak 5305, I assume you saw that over by house.
Affirmative.
Clarify what you want 478 to do. Are we going around or are we continuing?
05, maintain 3000.
American 472 is going around, we're going to climb maintain 3000.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final.
Alright, for American 472, we're on the go. We're going to climb maintain 3000. You have a heading?
American 472, left start heading 270, climb maintain 3000. Contact Potomac on 118.95.
270 the heading, 3000 and 1895 American 472.
For American 3130.
American 3130, contact approach on 1895.
1895, American 3130.
472. American 272, yeah, left turn.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request circle to 33.
Blue Streak 5347, go around, climb maintain 3000, flight
3000
heading
heading, go around 3000, Blue Streak 5347.
American 3130, American 3130, contact approach, no, shoot, standby. Muscle 13, standby. Blackjack 3, can you return to base? What? Blackjack 3, proceed directly to Glebe. I need you to land. Land immediately.
Washington Tower, op 6.
Op 6, yeah, go ahead.
Looking across the approach, looking across 33 airport, box across.
Op 6, approves question.
Op 6, approved them.
Okay, Muscle 7, Tower. I need you to land immediately. Can you go to dollars for a few minutes? Muscle 7, proceed due westbound, contact Dulles Tower 120.1. Muscle 13, can you go to Baltimore? Blue Streak 5347, turn right heading 0, Harrison. Blue Streak 5347, turn right heading 120.
120 on heading, Blue Streak 5347.
Alright, yeah, 233 close.
Who's that, op, say again? We'll show everything close. Blue Streak 5347, let's make a hard right turn 180.
Hard right turn 180, Blue Streak 5347.
Blue Streak 5305, I don't know if you saw it, but about 2,000 feet on our 3 o'clock, about 500 feet up in the air. It looks like there was blaze or something going over right now.
We're handling right now, stand by. Okay, Air Care 1, are you landing? Air Care 1 Tower? Okay, Blue Streak 5347, let's make it a 1-2, so I'm back on the 120 heading, contact approach on 125.65.
120 heading 12565, Blue Streak 5347.
Okay, Muscle 7, you guys with me? Air Care 1 Tower. Blue Streak 5305, hold short of 1, and I'll call you back in a few minutes.
Yeah, Blue Streak 5305.
Muscle 1-3, Tower, you still with me?
Would like to cross runway 10 on report.
Approved question.
Approved, after.
Muscle 1-3, can you either go to Baltimore or Andrews? Okay, Muscle 1-3, I need to have you exit the airspace. Can you go to Andrews? Muscle 1-3, proceed direct to Andrews. Blackjack 3, Tower. Are you able to assist with the search and rescue? And the operator, the request approves the question. Blackjack 3, do you have any kind of like searchlight or maybe anything on board that would help shed some light at the east end of the field? Okay, Blackjack 3, just proceed now. If you can take a route 6 over the top, head towards Anacostia, and I'll call you back. And Ops making the request approves the question. Ops 3, roger. Muscle 1-3, do you have any kind of searchlight on board? It's for a different aircraft. Muscle 1-3, Tower. For Muscle 1-3, do you have any kind of searchlight on board? Okay, for Muscle 1-3, just proceed towards South Cap right now, and then I'll call you back. Blackjack 3, roger. And Blackjack 3, if you see the trucks off the left-hand side, just let me know if there's any way you can assist. Muscle 1-3, Tower. Yeah, when you get to South Cab, you're going to see a lot of trucks on the east end of the field. You'll be met with Blackjack 1. If there's any way you can assist, let me know. If you're unable to do the fuel or any kind of equipment limitations, let me know. But if there's any way you can assist, let us know. Muscle 1-3, disregard in that case. Just said proceed direct to Andrews. Muscle 1-3, contact Andrews, channel 118.4. Just go ahead and make the switch now. Lucy 5305. Not sure if you... Lucy 5305, not sure if you're aware of what happened. If you want to go back to the gate, let me know. I don't know if we're going to be able to park here for the next few minutes.
Yeah, I've got no more details from what we told you, what we saw here, but we'll continue to hold short. We shut down 1 engine.
Right. Delta 832, if you want to shut them down or if you want to go back to the gate, let me know. I don't know if we're going to resume operations in the near future. It might be about 30 or 40 minutes.
Alright, roger that. We'll wait for now, but we'll probably go ahead and shut one down too. So yeah, just let us know. Thank you.
Falcon 2 Washington, Washington altimeter 29901. If you can, when you lift off, just proceed to the east end of the field. You'll be met with Black Duck 1. He's over there by the approach under runway 33. Yep, for Falcon 2, it'll be over there, the approach runway 33. Falcon 2, roger. Blue 65305, believe they're going to close the airport for an indefinite amount of time. My suggestion is you go back to the gate.
Roger.
Okay, Delta 832.
Say again for 832.
Okay, man. Fox 2, ready to contact half mile east of field. Verify you got Black Duck in place. Okay, Falcon 2, roger. Approved, requested. All zones are approved. All fixed-wing traffic has been paused, so yeah, any operations on the east side of the field are approved. Top 3, good.
Do you have any information on CRJ right now?
Yes, type aircraft, I don't know if it was CRJ700. It was a CRJ700 series. We're getting that information right now. Delta 832, sorry. I don't know if you caught earlier what happened, but there was a collision on the approach in the 33. We're going to be shutting down operations for the indefinite future. If you want to go back to the gate, highly suggest you guys coordinate with the company. Let me know what you want to do.
Alright, we'll let the company talk to them right now. Yeah, we witnessed the whole thing. If you need any information from us.
Okay, not quite yet, but just remain on frequency, and I'll give you a phone number here in a second.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, for JetBlue 2523, did you witness the encounter?
Affirmative.
Okay, Delta 832 and Blue Sheik, sorry, for both JetBlue and Delta and Blue Sheik 135, give you a phone number. Just give me 1 second.